Hello, Walla Walla. Dr. Ben Gauyan here. Hey, we're starting something new. It's called Out and About with Dr. G. Gives me a chance to bring you into face-to-face with these programs, what it's about, and you get a chance to see me have some fun along the way. So I'm really excited to take you into the Raider course here at Wall High. It's one of these things that supports our JROTC program. It's going to be an awesome time. Can't wait. Hello, Walla Walla. I'm here with Amelia this morning in front of the Raider course. Amelia, how do you use the Raider course?
Well, we use it for a bunch of different things. We use it for exercise because it is a very hard thing to do. And we also use it for teamwork building though. We have some things like this teamwork wall over here. We have our entire companies try and help each other up onto the wall and get over it. It's for teamwork, it's for strength building, and it's for fun too. It's a lot of fun.
Okay, what's fun about it?
I think the challenge is the most fun part. Seeing something so difficult and then realizing like, oh, I think I can overcome this, and like experiencing that, I think that's the most fun part.
Have you completed the entire course?
Yes, I have, yeah. Yeah, we do Athlete of the Month competitions where we run through this course and our winner gets to become the Athlete of the Month.
Who's this month's Athlete of the Month?
We don't know yet. Okay. We'll find out on Thursday.
Maybe me?
Maybe.
Let's check it out. Oh, blooper! Did you catch the fall? Awesome. Okay, what else are you doing?
Some people like to jump and push up like this. It's what I do, but other people like to hook their leg over. Brown, let's see your acrobats. Boom, push up and over.
Oh my goodness.
Kick her leg over, boom, that's another strategy. I like to just... This is the hardest one,
it is?
I think. Yeah, it's really difficult.
How's that?
As you're doing it, you have to tap one nose with your finger.
Oh.
I'm kidding, that's not part of it.
Is there a difference between either one of these? Yeah, I love that one.
Weaver, this one I think is one of the more challenging ones.
Everyone is challenging, you keep saying.
It takes a lot of core strength and agility.
Oh my gosh.
Over, under, over. So over, under, and back over.
Not that bad. Under. Oh my gosh. Gene, you win. That one's done.
All right, the rope wall.
Oh, no.
So there's a couple strategies with this. Some of these planks, they stick out a little bit, so you can put your toe in there if you want to do that. My strategy is keep one arm flexed at all times. So if I'm reaching with one arm, the other arm is bent like this, so I don't free fall. You know? And you just kind of like up the wall. you just gotta do it, you know? And then when I get up to the top, there's a little plank, I hitch my arms up there and I go, ah! And I like pull my entire body up. Woo! And I grab the plank and like that.
Tired. All right, Amelia.
Yeah.
That was quite the adventure.
Yes, I think so too.
A lot tougher than it looked.
Mm-hmm.
Everything is hard. There's a part of me that wants to come back for the revenge and do it better.
You should.
Thank you. Oh, an open invitation,
I'll take you
you
up
guys.
on that.
But I guess I'm curious. So talk to me more about the ROTC program. What motivated you? Tell me how it's been a big part of your life here at Wall High.
Well, I only joined last year, but JROTC as a whole, I think is very much of a youth development program. It teaches you all the skills like that you'll need for your future, for jobs, for college and everything. But for me personally, I joined because I knew how much of like a social boost it would be. I didn't have a lot of friends and I wanted to make some, and now I have like so many friends, right guys? Yeah. They love me. But it really helped me come out of my shell a lot, I think is kind of like the big thing of JROTC. It's very social development, it's very like professional development too. Altogether, it's a really great program.
Those are wonderful things to experience. I know for me, doing this Raider course, I could feel the teamwork, I could feel the encouragement, and even though I didn't complete everything, I just felt like, wow, I could be a part of a team here that really is encouraging me and pull the best out of me. So I'm curious, do you know what your life will look like after your time here at Walla High and how JROTC is going to prepare you?
Well, I know for me personally, I'm not planning on joining any military, but we have a lot of cadets who want to join the military, and it helps with the military because it prepares you for things like boot camp and the marching and everything like that, and it also, ranks you up. But for like college and everything, which is what I want to do, it's a great thing to put on my resume because I'm like, hey, I committed to this thing. It shows insane leadership skills, like, hey, I'm in charge of this whole thing, and yeah, it helps with college and it helps with your professional development, like for jobs and everything. It teaches you like, this is my uniform, I have to wear this, I have to show up on time, I have to be prompt. And it's very well-rounded.
Well, I can tell not just with you, but your fellow cadets here, how it really has just transpired your life, and really what a wonderful thing for us to offer and just show really your growth. I've seen some of you guys before, and I'm just really proud of you guys. Good job.